How to use cloud storage for organizing your event management. Planning an event, whether it's a small get-together or a big meeting, can be challenging. Keeping track of details like guest lists and contracts with vendors is important, and that's where cloud storage services can be helpful. When you plan an event, using cloud storage providers can speed up the process and make everything go more quickly. Making planning events easier with cloud storage. Let's look at how cloud storage services can help people who plan events and make their work easier. Why is using cloud storage services for event planning a good idea? Cloud storage is useful for event planners in many ways. One of the best things about it is that you can get to your files and papers at any time and from anywhere. Since you don't have to carry around a stack of papers or a big laptop, you can plan events even when you're out and about. One more advantage of cloud storage is that it makes it easy to share files with other people on your team. You can upload files to the cloud and let anyone who needs them view them instead of sending documents back and forth via email or USB drives. It's much easier and faster to work together than before. A lot of cloud storage services also have data backup and recovery features built in. In case your computer crashes or your phone gets lost, you won't lose any of the papers you need to plan your event. The cloud stores everything safely so you can get to it whenever you need to. Statistics on cloud storage usage. It's now true that over 90% of companies use cloud storage services in some way. Cloud infrastructure services brought in $191 billion in 12 months, from the beginning of 2021 to the end of 2022. It is thought that the cloud market will be worth $376.36 billion by 2029. By 2025, the world will likely have stored 200 zettabytes, 2 billion terabytes, in the cloud. Cloud storage options for planning events, what you need to know. There are a few things you should look for in a cloud hosting service for event planning business. The ability to organize files and documents in a way that makes sense and works well is an important trait. To keep everything in order, look for a system that lets you make folders, tags, and categories. Cloud data security is another important part. It's important to know that your event planning files are safe and sound in the cloud. To keep your data safe from hackers and other people who shouldn't have access to it, look for a service that offers advanced encryption standard, password protection, and other cloud infrastructure security measures. When picking a cloud hosting service for event planning business, it's also important that it works with other tools. Look for an option that works well with the file management system and tools you already have, like Streamline Communication, project management software, and calendar sync apps. With this, it will be easier to keep everything in one place and streamline your job. How to start planning an event with cloud storage. It's easy to start using cloud storage solutions for corporate event planners if you have never done it before. You can choose from a lot of cloud storage services, like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Microsoft OneDrive. After making an account and downloading the app, all you have to do is start sharing your event planning files. After putting your files in the cloud, you can start using all the great features that cloud storage providers has to offer. You can work together on projects with other people on your team, get to your files from anywhere, and know that your data is safe and backed up. Thanks to cloud storage, planning an event has never been easier. Here is one of the best cloud sharing and file management tools for your event management, i.e. eShare.ai. With eShare.ai's task management system, you can keep track of all your events. With eShare.ai's task management system, you can stay organized and run your events more smoothly. Organize all of your important events and meetings in one place. Make your experience unique. Choose the view that works best for you and make separate schedules for different events in your life. Easily manage events in your busy schedule. The eShare.ai calendar organizes your time by highlighting major events such as birthdays and anniversaries. In conclusion, using eShare Unlimited Cloud Storage to plan and manage events is simple, and the best cloud sharing and file management systems, such as eShare.ai, can help you keep track of all event-related data, such as contracts, guest lists, timetables, and promotional materials. Thanks for listening to vBlog. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.